If you use Windows 11, your computer will sometimes lose internet and local network connectivity. You may also experience error messages like limited access and undefined network on Windows 11. You can quickly fix the most common problem with a wide network connection by resetting the Ethernet adapter. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to fix any Ethernet problems on Windows 11. I have a request. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open settings on Windows 11. Click on Network and Internet. Click the Advanced Network Settings tab. Under the More Settings section, click the Network Reset Settings. Click the Reset Now button. Click Yes to confirm. Click the Close button. Restart your computer. After you complete the step, you should once again be able to access the network and internet. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.